As a modern hotel business, keeping your doors open means staying open to opportunity, like mastering your direct bookings. Why is it so important? For two simple reasons. Direct bookings means guests can save you anywhere between 10 to 30% in online travel agent commission fees. They also mean you can create a direct relationship with your guests so you can completely personalize their experience. A win-win for you and your guests. But first, it's good to understand 5 things about your potential guests. 1. Expectations differ. Leisure and business guests expect different things, as do travellers from different countries, and families and young couples. 2. Social proof is valued. Travellers read your online reviews and check your responses. 3. Amenities set you apart. It's what you offer beyond your rooms that can make the difference. 4. Promos and incentives are key. Special offers and rewards build loyalty and encourage repeat bookings. 5. Meta search matters. Direct bookings go up when you're listed on sites like Google Hotel Ads or Trivago. Which brings us to 5 tips for getting more direct bookings. First, you need a secure booking process on your hotel website. This will make it safe and easy for guests to book directly with you. And high-quality photos are essential for sparking guests' imagination. Next, it's about driving traffic to your website with search engine optimization, digital ads, emails, and a Google Hotels profile. Growing your customer database is also key, so make sure you capture your guests' contact details. And finally, enhance your direct offering with incentives like room upgrades, because impressing guests keeps them loyal. But to truly master your direct bookings, you need technology on your side. And with products like our award-winning booking engine, SiteMinder can help, because we know that you're open to opportunity.